Hi guys, you are watching Go IT Center, and this video is going to be very important because in this video we are going to install latest Windows 11.25 H2 and optimized, and it will uh, work as even onto the old computer it would work as a new computer. So let's start. So first of all, you have to, and most importantly, this installation we are going to perform without USB. So if you don't have the USB, no need to worry about that. We are going to perform a fresh and clean installation in front of you. So first of all, you have to go into the Windows 11 download. Then you have to click onto the download Windows 11. Then once you click onto the download, then you have to scroll down it. Then you have to click onto the Windows 11 edition. Then confirm it. Then you have to select the language. And once you select the language, then you will have a download button. So once you click onto the download, so downloading will start instantly. You can see that I have already downloaded the ISO in order to save the time, so just close it. Now after that, we have to take a little chunk from the C drive, so we have to type the computer management. Just click onto the disk management. Once it is up here, now it is up here, so we have to click onto the disk management, right click on it, and we are going to shrink it. So it will take a little time. We have to take just 10 GB of partition from this C drive, and after the installation we will merge it. So wait for a second. So once we have this, keep remember this calculation is in the Mbps. So in 1 GB we have 1024 Mbps. So we are going to take a chunk of 10 GB. So 10240. Then apply shrink. Then you will have unallocated space shortly. And come on. Now it is here. Now we have to name it simple volume. Click onto the simple volume, then next, then give the name as a USB, next, and done. Now it is done. So you can see that 10 GB of partition is ready, which will work as a USB for us. So that's all. Now after that we have to go onto the downloaded ISO. Let me go into the downloaded folder. Once you insert the downloaded folder, then we have to right click onto the Windows 11.25 H2 ISO, then mount it. It will be mounted instantly. Then we have to copy all these files, right click on it, copy. Then we have to go into this computer, go into the USB which we have created right now, just a moment ago, then paste it. So all files will be pasted here within 5 to 10 seconds, or maybe 20 seconds, 25 seconds. So I'm going to stop this video. Once done, I will be back. So our files have been copied successfully. Now once it is done, then we have to go on to then we have to download one file. Once you click it, the file will be downloaded instantly, and then we have to copy this file, cut, and then we have to go onto the E drive, and then we have to paste here. So after that we have to go onto the EasyBCD, through which we can install Windows without USB. So then we have to click onto the EasyBCD software. Once you click it, then you will have a second page. Then you have to click onto the register. Then you can give any email address, personal email address or professional email address. So once you click onto the register, you will have a second page, like a download page. So it is taking time. I think I have to switch my internet connection. Give me a second. So then you will have this page. So you can give any email address, and I'm giving my official email address. You can even give the personal email address. So once you click onto the download, it will be downloaded instantly. So once we download it, then you have to double click on it. Yes. Then hit next, next, I agree, install. So it will be installed instantly. So once it is installed, then you have to run it. Click go. Okay. Then you have to click onto the add entry. Then you have to click onto the WinPE. Then you have to give any name like this, and then you have to go into the E drive. Go into the sources. Then you have to select this file. Once you select it, and you have to click onto the green button, so it will be added successfully. Now just we have to restart this computer. So I'm going to restart this computer, and I'm doing this installation over the virtual machine, but obviously in your case you will have a physical system. So once you restart it, you will have a boot menu. I'm going to show you in just some moments. I'm going to show you. So I'm going to restart it, and let me open my virtual machine so that I can show over there. But in your case, you will have a physical machine. Just you have to restart your computer. Once you restart your computer, you will have directly installation screen. So give me a second. Now we have to restart the computer. I have opened my virtual machine on VMware XSI. So in your case, you will have a physical system. So you will directly, once you restart it, you will get directly installation screen on your physical computer or monitor. So let's restart it. Machine has been restarted. Now let me move on to the VMware EXSI. Wait for a second. We gave the name Win11. You can see that now it is appear here. Just we have to click on that, and installation wizard will be opened in front of you. So file is being loaded. Then you have to click next, then click next. So right now I don't have the product key, so we have to select the Windows edition. Let's say I'm going to install Windows 11 Pro. Next. Then you have to select your C drive partition. 84 GB. Most the biggest partition, you have to select the biggest partition. Obviously that would be your C drive, and click on that. And 49 GB is free, and rest of the GBs are occupied, so I'm going to format it because we are going to perform a fresh installation. So let's format it. It will be formatted instantly. Then click on that and then hit next. So you can see that installation has been started. Once done, I will be back. So Windows has been installed successfully. Now we have to click yes. Then obviously US keyboard, skip, and definitely it will ask for the password. So we have to set a new password. Asking for the name. I'm giving my name. Next, password. Password. So it is a test system for me, so I'm giving any answer, but in your case obviously you have to give the answer properly. So it's almost done. So it would take around 5 to 10 minutes in the initialization. So I'm going to stop this video. Once done, I will be back. So it is getting the things ready for us. So I'm going to stop this video in order to save the time, otherwise video will get longer. So we have highly optimized Windows 11, and it will work as a on old computer. It will work on old computer as a new computer, and you will get fantastic performance. So we will have an option shortly. Wait for a second. You will get highest performance onto the old computer, and once you install, definitely you will be impressed by the performance of this Windows 11 onto your old computer. Then we have this option, so we have to only enable user control. Yes, it is enabled, and then we have to restart. So once PC restarted, I will be back. Now Windows 11 is ready to use, and we have done complete setup. So now finally we have to merge the drive, what we did last time. So we have to merge the drive to the C drive, because we took the little partition which worked as a USB for us. So we need to remerge this partition. So go into the computer management. Computer management, and once you go inside the computer management, now it's very simple. We need to delete this partition, and once we have a visit, then we have to click onto disk management. Then it's pretty much simple. Then we have to delete this USB partition, delete volume. Yes, it will be unallocated, and now we have to delete partition, and it will be unallocated now. So now we have to extend this volume, and you can see that this volume going to be merged with the C drive. Finish, and it is done. So it is back into the original form. So everything is good now. and now you can enjoy your highly optimized Windows 11 25H2, and you will get marvelous performance even onto your old computer. So thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, 5 for 2 and family and friends. Stay safe. Bye bye.